y'all, so it was another cool day in the market. um I went over my trade. I'm going to go over my trades in the last part of this video that I took for the day, but I'm so excited because I finally opened up a Roth IRA and a investment brokerage account with Fidelity. And it took me a while to really grasp the concept of investing versus trading. I felt like investing I can kind of put on the back burner, not necessarily put on the back burner, but I felt like with trading I could just get the big numbers now and throw it into the investment account, instead of, I felt like I would be wasting time just putting into a Roth IRA like small amounts now. Something that clicked to me recently, and it's made me feel so much at ease, like so less overwhelmed. Because I think back to like when I was 25, I was not thinking about my 35-year-old self. Like when I was 25, I was thinking about 25. I was trying to make the money now. I was trying to do it, or the very, very near future. But then as like 10 years later, and then I think to now, and I'm like, now that I really understand investing and how, like, even how they talk about how Warren Buffett got his wealth, he just started investing at 11. I thought it was so much more complex than that. And once I started to dig into investing, like, it really helped me with my trading too. And I thought about it. I'm like, I need to think about my older self. Like, I really need to put things into perspective for my older self instead of just thinking for the now. So yeah, right now I'm just investing in VOO, following the S&P 500. I don't think I'm gonna invest. Well, I won't say that for right now. That's all I'm doing. I don't think I'm gonna do any growth stocks for right now. I am looking into the Bitcoin ETF to see if that may be a good thing to invest in, because I just know Bitcoin from trading. I don't know Bitcoin from ETFs and stuff like that. So that's something that I'm looking up on now. If anything else, I probably would do that. But just from recent research that I've been doing, VOO just seems to make the most sense to kind of just have that, and that be, that be that. So yeah, I'm so excited about that, because it took me a while. Like, I remember like probably 3 years ago, and I was talking to my friend about a Roth IRA, and I think I just thought that that was so beyond me. Like, that's something you think about later, and the sooner the better. But I'm glad I at least got it started. But yep, so that is all for today, and then we'll go into the trades that I took today. Okay, so these are the trades that I took for today. So my first entry, which was here, I was a little iffy about that trade. Like, in my gut, I didn't feel right taking the trade because it wasn't my the initial push, which was over here. So after we got a change of character, let me see. I think I got, oh, did I get all the way stopped out? No. I did get out once I seen the change of character, which was right around here. So I got out early on this trade, only probably about like a $11 loss. I'll show you guys that at the end. And then the second trade that I entered was right here. And it did make an initial break. Here we had another change of character, and I just didn't like the way price was moving. So at the change of character, I got out.
of this one too. It got out with like a $3 profit. So not bad for today. I guess was like a little choppy starting off. Now later on, around 10 o'clock, um, it was a good opportunity to enter here with another break, which would have gave me my 2-to-1 profit. But since I already traded twice, I'm following my plan and I'm going with the challenge that I set for myself, only taking 2 trades a day. So not bad. I'm happy about the I'm so it's just that first trade right here because this in my gut I knew I shouldn't have really entered at this particular point. So that's something that I will add to my fault list to not make the same mistake twice. Because if I did ignore that and go with my gut feeling and took this trade as my first trade, I would have been good to enter on a second trade here, which would have gave me my 2-to-1. So still not bad. Um, but yeah, it was a cool day today.